What's up, world? What's up, world? What's up, YouTube? What's going on? This is your favorite uncle, Uncle Elroy Fulton in the building. Now, today, coming to you guys because we got to do a little something called maintenance. Alright, it's about that time, midway through the season. It's time for an oil change. Now, we haven't gone anywhere really far, so there haven't been a lot of miles getting put on it, but it's enough. 5,000 miles. Our first oil change at 1,000 miles on the bike was a 3-hole oil change. Now this time I only really need to change the engine oil, and I don't really kill it and rag on it, so I can get away with just changing the engine oil and being fine. But no, for my peace of mind, I want to do all of them. And that way, I know that all of them are fresh, all of them are giving me that like new feeling on the bike, and it just makes me feel a little better. So, we will be changing, that's right, all 3 of them. Primary, transmission, and engine oil. That's right. So, without further ado, let's get on over and see what's in this power pack and see what we about to go do. And yes, guys, you can do this all at home on your own on a budget. Because I'm not going to Harley and paying no $400 for an oil change. I think this thing was like 150 bucks. Some sweat, and you got it. So let's go ahead and see what's in this power pack. Alright, so we've got our 2050 full synthetic oil that we're going to use. This is the complete fuel system cleaner. Of course, your oil filter. This is your primary case oil, and this is your transmission oil, all from Redline. Redline is what I run, is what I prefer. Tomato, that argument can go on forever. But yeah, I use Redline. I like it. I love it. And that's what we do. Others use other brands, so what? And then this kit comes from Amazon. If you just getting started, I just wanted to get it to show you guys. Like, this comes in the actual power pack from Redline. But this is a lifesaver. This is your oil filter funnel. So, slide it up under your oil filter. Put a hole in your oil filter. And just let it drain on out. No mess. Of course, just a regular funnel. Oil filter wrench. And a primary case funnel makes all the difference, man. Just makes this job a lot cleaner. Not as much mess, because trust me, there's gonna be mess. But as you can see, this is the power pack. You can get it on Amazon. I think it's like 170 bucks. But it comes with everything. You can do your 3-hole, and you don't have to worry about trying to put this and that together. And well, for all that said, let's go get started. Alright, so there you guys go. That is what's in the power pack. But now that you guys know that, I gotta go and take this thing for a quick little run around the block, warm it up, get the oil, get all of the fluids nice and warm so that they will drain properly. So I got you guys, come on, take this ride with me. get to it. As you can see, I have my funnel for my oil filter already set up, and the hose that's connected will flow right down, boom, into the oil pan. We have two, count them, two drain plugs, one right there, one on your primary, and the third is right there. So 1, 2, 3. That's 3 holes. So let's start getting this stuff drained, and then we can fill it up with the new stuff. All right, guys, hold on. All right, guys, so we've got 2 of the drain plugs out, and we want to investigate. We want to inspect any metal shavings. There's gonna be a little bit, but nothing that I gotta be worried about. The O-ring is shot though, so we're gonna have to put a new O-ring on that one. Same here, O-ring shot. Not much metal shavings though, so make sure you clean up your drain plugs and make sure you put new O-rings on, because as you can see, they do go out and deteriorate. All right, let's get back to draining. See, we tapped the hole, now it's coming down and coming out. Alright, so we got the primary filled up. We've got all the oils drained. Now we got to fill the oil and fill the transmission case. So let's get to that. Okay, guys, so we got all the oil drained. We got the primary case filled back up. Now we're just going to go to these 2 holes right here and fill them both up. And then we're going to take her out. Alright, guys, we are all finished. We are all done, all cleaned up, and ready to go. So, sorry guys, I had some technical difficulties recording it, and I didn't realize it until after I was finished. So, forgive me if it's choppy, forgive me if I left some things out. But, all in all, you guys get the point. It's not hard, and it's cheaper than going to the dealership or going to your favorite local mechanic. Sometimes you don't always have to give the mechanic the money. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share with everybody, because this is how I get into the algorithm. And if you want to see more content like this, then I got to get an algorithm. Otherwise, I'll get tired of doing this and I'll stop. So if you want to continue to see stuff like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's going to show you where to do that, like over here or over there, maybe down there. But make sure that you listen, like, comment, subscribe, share. All right, guys, until next time, keep it on.